Hello, this is Charlie, and I'm going to make a slideshow about mean, standard deviation, and z-score. I am a former Algebra 1 student, and this is pretty confusing, but I will make it not confusing. The resources that I'm going to choose to use in the notebooks are pages 212, 214, 213, and 215. They will be very helpful, so I'll get them out when you need to find something that has anything to do with my three topics. On 212, it will show you how to find mean and standard deviation. On 213, there will be a packet, and the second part of it will show you how to find standard deviation. On 214, it will show you how to apply standard deviation, and 215 will show you the formula for z-scores. So, a sample problem that I found for you is this problem. Residents of upstate New York are accustomed to large amounts of snow, with snowfalls often exceeding 6 inches in one day. In one city, such snowfalls were recorded for 2 seasons and are as follows in inches. And so, here's the data set, and there's only one data set, so to find the mean and standard deviation, you will have to go to the stat on the calculator. So go ahead and go on the stat on the calculator. And once you do that, plug in the data in set 1. So plug in, here I'll highlight it for you. Plug in this set. Just plug in all those numbers in set 1. And once you do that, you press Calc or F2, and once you've done that, press 1 var or F1. Then it will show a bunch of numbers with letters. Once you see that, find the X symbol, X with a line over it here. So find this symbol, and that equals your mean. So that should say that it equals approximately 9.45 with repeating if you round it. So that's your mean. Next, to find your standard deviation, you'll have to find 3.743. Or you'll have to find the OX symbol. So that's what it'll look like, and that equals your standard deviation. So OX, and it should say 3.743, or approximately 3.743. Okay. So that is how you find your standard deviation and your mean. And you will need both of those to finally find the z-score. So first, you'll use the equation of z equals x minus u, or for this, that will mean the mean, over the standard deviation. And that's your z-score formula. So, to find the z-score, you'll have to plug in 9.45 for u, or in the u in this equals the mean. So that will have to be z equals x minus 9.45 over your standard deviation of 3.743. So next, I will make a problem. For this example, we're going to use 5.1 inches because that's just what we're going to plug in for the z-score. So the z-score for 5.1, to find that, you'll have to plug in 5.1 for x. So z equals 5.1 minus 9.45 over 3.743. And finally, to find the z-score, you'll have to plug that in, or in the calculator. So you'll do parentheses 5.1 minus 9.45, and you'll probably get, hold on one second, you'll probably get, let me do that real quick. You'll get 5.1 minus 9. You will get negative 4.35. So, after you do that, that will be the top of the parentheses, so it'll be negative 4.35 over 3.743. So finally, you will divide those two. So negative 4.350 divided by 3.743. And you'll finally, as your final answer, you'll get negative 1.162. Well, approximately that, if you round it. And that would be your z-score. So, z equals negative 1.1621. Alright, here I'll show you. Alright, and so, finally, just to write that out, the z will equal negative 1.1621. Your standard deviation, or SD, will equal 3.743. And finally, your mean, or X, the line over it, will be 9.45. Repeating. That is your answer. The source that I used for this to get this problem, or the website, is www.regents.prep.org/regents/algebraic/normalprac.html. So you can go ahead and copy, paste that, or you can even put your phone in the QR reader and read this code, and it'll take you right to that website. And this website helps a lot and gives you good problems to study for SLOs. So, yeah. That is my presentation for you to how to find z-score, standard deviation, and mean. I hope this video helped you and got you an A on the test. And yeah, also follow me on Instagram @CharlieKurz. Thank you.